Each school year, the 7th graders who study life science participate in a special field trip to the city zoo. In 2010, the school paid $1,260 for 84 students to enter the zoo. So in a table, we are going to add those two numbers to our data. In 2011, the school paid $1,050 for 70 students to enter the zoo. And in 2012, they paid $1,395 for 93 students to enter the zoo. Is the price the school pays for each year in entrance fees proportional to the number of students entering the zoo? Remember, we want to do cost per item, so the cost is going to go on the top. Okay, so that's our first one, our second one, and our third one. You may use a calculator to answer this question, so just type in 1,260 divided by 84. That's what that fraction bar means, is to divide. And then do the same for the other two and see if they are the same. I got 15 for this one. Okay, fill in these two and then answer the question. The constant of proportionality is 15, and it is the price per student. Then it says, what would the school pay if 120 students entered the zoo, and each one costs $15? We have to multiply to figure out how much it would be in all. Make sure you fill in your answer for part D. You may use a calculator if you need to. E, how many students would enter the zoo if the school paid $1,425? We know how much it costs per student, and we know how much the total is, so we can work backwards by dividing to figure out how many students went to the zoo. And fill that one in also. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then also answer the question in part A.